state. As you rightly mentioned, TIE, this T-Hub, they are doing that. Now, improved version of all these things, we are starting now, Ratan Tata Innovation Hub. There I am bringing one family, one entrepreneur, and knowledge economy, everything. And I am totally confident by involving industry and also academic institutions. As on today, there is a missing link in India. Academic institutions and industry are not working together. I am bringing that together. To create ecosystem, government will be there, and also we are building venture capital and also mentoring. If I create all these things, then automatically it will happen. Ultimately, promotion is important. Somebody has to going on talking. That's why today, around 50 entrepreneurs from Andhra Pradesh based, they are all here today. Now, every table or alternate table, one is from Andhra Pradesh, to showcase all of you. Have discussions, collaborations, MOUs or exchange of ideas. Anybody wanted to put investment straight away, you can come, we will help you. Or otherwise, you need partner, you can join you. Or you are having technical knowledge, or you want collaboration, you can select joint partners also. That is how we are working. You are going to see another 2-3 years' time. Andhra means entrepreneurs. That is going to happen. That is the ecosystem we are going to create. Second question, as you rightly mentioned, 60%. Even Hyderabad I developed. Now 67% service sector. 75% income is coming from Hyderabad. Urban development should take place. At the same time, from rural area also, you can start the companies. We need bandwidth. You need ideas. You need leadership to provide or to execute wherever you are. That type of investment, so many things we are working, that also will do. But immediately, you cannot stop urbanization also. Or otherwise, sustainability will become a problem. Both will balance. Rural infrastructure will provide best infrastructure, road, communication, and also village infrastructure, everything. Then it will balance. That is our commitment. We will work it out. Thank you. Anything?
I asked about the testing labs also.
Yeah. No, very interesting that one. We are aware of it. Everywhere globally there is a problem of health. If you see here, we are using excess fertilizers, pesticides. That is the biggest cause for cancer. Even some states are facing that type of problems. That's where I am going now, natural farming, and also same time certification and also traceability. Even in future from Andhra Pradesh, any produce will come, you can go for certification. And also traceability, which farmer, which area, how the process, everything will come. There we are establishing sufficient laboratories. Even Government of India has given accreditation. State labs will be there, and also private labs for accreditation will take up in a big way. We are going to encourage in the near future, you are going to see excellent ecosystem for agro-processing. Anybody? One or two? They want it.
2 questions.
One?
So good evening, sir, and all the delegates here. Myself, CEO Devika Pakruti. I came as a startup delegate from Andhra Pradesh 2 years. So I'm a EduTech founder. I developed a product for the government aspirants. So seeing these inspiration leaders in 2020, immediate after my graduation, I started this startup. Now it is 5 years industry. People said no when I started during pandemic, but I said myself yes. And today I'm generating last quarter 1 crore 20 lakhs I have been generated in the last 3 months, and I'm the Young Entrepreneur Awardee for Visakhapatnam. And in 2023, I represented Andhra Pradesh in Karnataka, and by the state CM, I received as the youngest CEO of the year award. And what I want to say here, sir, how you get chance to visit Singapore as a delegate, I request you to arrange a startup ecosystem like for this partnership summit. I want to see even Singapore startups to have a tour for Andhra Pradesh. I think you can sponsor, or the government can sponsor. So what if we youth can connect with the similar ideas, maybe different, or we both can work, because we are all startup ecosystem and the that daring, passionate entrepreneurs. So I request this, and in that partnership summit also, I request you to give us a startup expo for each and everyone. Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
Have a
we'll do
great day.
that. We'll do that. I will lead so many delegations now to expose all prospective entrepreneurs and network with counterparts. We'll do that. Even Visakhapatnam will keep it in mind.
Sure.
We'll do it. Last. Any new ideas, or you are having any doubts, we can clarify.
Sir, Your Excellency, Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu, my name is Ejaz Munsif. I'm with Dell Technologies. I'm based here in Singapore. I'm originally from India. I am so inspired by your presentation, your leadership, your vision. I came to Singapore from India in 1989, and over the years I became a Singapore citizen. After listening to your presentation, I want to move back to India, to Andhra Pradesh. To Andhra Pradesh, to Amravati. I have a question. I'm the global head for smart cities for Dell Technologies, which was started here 7 years ago in partnership with Singapore government. So we have a world-class smart cities, digital cities, innovation and R&D center here, and we are involved in smart city projects all over the world, including with partners, global partners like Fluent Grid, who is a company that is headquartered in Andhra Pradesh. So your vision for Amravati as a smart city, we would like to offer, Dell would like to offer, that we can make our R&D center here, which is in Singapore, available for doing any proof of concept or any R&D, any research, etc. We would like to offer the assistance of our experience from smart city projects around the world, and the center that we have, the innovation center, we would like to make that available to you.
No, I will be very happy. That is the future. My minister is here, Narayana, Urban Development Minister. He will be in touch with you. We will work together immediately.